It's very early in the morning. We're just getting ready to leave. And the car is packed a lot. We're just waiting on getting the cooler finished. My mom and brother are packing it right now. And once that finishes, we will be on our way. Got a lot of bikes. Look at that. Lots of stuff on that trailer. We are on our trip. We're like, I don't know, maybe halfway there. It's been crazy. We didn't shut the bikes down in the first half, but it's pretty smooth now. Just stopped at the bathroom, and my mom is playing Tetris. We all just stopped for lunch. We got some pizza.
Gosh, I was thinking you didn't want any.
It's almost gone. How do you like your pizza?
It's okay.
I was eating my hair.
Yeah, she's eating her hair. That's too bad. Connor just got his pizza.
I was
He
eating
almost
the
missed
sun.
it. Pizza! Yummy.